Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to open up the O scale Thomas, Annie, Clarabel. It comes with a remote control. This is comes with factory sealed. The box has Thomas the Tank Engine, Annie and Clarabel, 8 pieces of curved track, 2 straight pieces of tracks, one with a terminal, a power supply and a remote. One of the things right off the bat that draw my attention is that it can be controlled with the phone. It does have a Bluetooth app. Now stick around to the end of the video once I do an unboxing overview of this box. Once we set this up and get it going, I am going to do a comparison of this O scale Thomas with the G scale and a HO scale, so do stick around till the very end. One other thing I want to point out is the Annie and the Clarabel. The tops do open up, so if you have a kid who does a lot of pretend play, then this is a really good set because you can ideally get some passengers that are O scale compatible and kind of pretend play as you load them up and unload them, or board them up and unboard them. All right, let's open this up. Before I unbox it, I would just want to point out that this is the name of the app. It's called Lionel, Lion Chief app, to control this train through Bluetooth. It's available on Apple Store and Google Play. I'm not sure if you can use the same app to control other Lionel trains. I would imagine it's possible. I haven't ventured that far out. There are some expansion tracks you can get and make it a little more interesting. Let's get into that a little bit later. I did buy a 10-inch 4-piece expansion track that wasn't part of this. I just ventured out and got it as a O scale track. Let's set this up first. Here's a quick look of what's inside the box. The Thomas. We got Thomas with the happy face. It did come with 3 additional faces for Thomas. And we have the Annie and Clarabel. The remote control if you don't want to use the Bluetooth app. The power transformer. And about 8 pieces of curved and 2 straight pieces of tracks. Let's set this up. This is what the assembled track looks like. It's an oval shape. So the 4 curved pieces and 4, and then the 2 straight pieces. I do have 4 expansion pieces that I'm going to hook up here just to make it a bigger oval. I'm not a big fan of the snap fit tracks on the O gauge. I do like the N scale and the HO scale tracks. That's just my first impression. Let's get this finished up. All right, we got the track set up. We got the batteries installed. I do have the Bluetooth app installed. I'm gonna get to that in a second. We're just gonna see how this Thomas runs on this remote first. All right, buddy, go ahead and get Thomas loaded on the track.
We're going to check him.
Yeah, check him and yeah, make sure all his wheels are nicely seated.
Yeah,
Like that?
it's that.
Okay, do you see good? All right, go ahead and get Annie up. Come on, bring Annie up to the straight section. All right, you got it. Now bring them up together and see.
Yeah. They can connect.
Yeah. You want to push them together? Here, I'll hold Thomas. Yeah, bring them closer. There you go. All right, bring Clarabel up.
Rainbow doesn't work.
No, that's how you play pretend.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, make sure all her wheels are seated up and bring her up.
No, I'm a photo track.
Then fix it. Can you fix it?
Yeah, on that side.
Okay. All right, and there you go. Can you bring her closer and cart them? Yeah, there you go. Push. Push. Forward. Okay, hold on. It's already closed up. Maybe we'll have to turn her around. Alright guys, we got Thomas, Annie and Clarabel hooked up. The clasp was just a little tricky compared to the HO scale and G scale, but we got it figured out. Now we're gonna get power going. Once you get the power going, you're gonna hear some music. Okay, I guess that means Thomas is ready. I'm gonna turn the remote on. And there we go. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead and operate Thomas.
Does that do?
Yeah, turn this dial forward. There you go. Yeah. It does look like this one, the sound quality is good. I haven't really tried out a DCC Thomas to see how DCC sound equipped Thomas to see how he is compared to this O scale, but quick look, this Thomas is really nice. My toddler seems to like it. There are other buttons on the remote like a bell, and here, go ahead and press it. What about this button here? Yeah, what about this one? Yeah. You want to slow him down and take him in reverse? That's the O scale, you guys. Now I'm gonna bring the G scale and the HO scale, and we're gonna take a look at them, maybe run them side by side and see how they work. Alright guys, here we are. This is our G scale Thomas up in the very front, then the O scale Thomas and the HO scale Thomas. I do not have the Clarabel and Annie for the G scale, but overall, so far, I think G scale and HO scale is the bigger hit. We're not big fans of the O scale, especially the tracks. For play pretend, yes, the O scale I think wins, but however, like, I do not see us collecting a lot of O scale, and G scale and the HO obviously has the biggest collection. If you are a train collector, my toddler is really into trains. He wants to do everything Thomas and model railroading in the future. So HO would be ideal for us, but overall, these are the three Thomases we have. We are getting the N scale Thomas just for comparison, so stick around for that video. Be on the lookout for that in the coming week. Here's the three up real close for comparison.